Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
We are pleased to show you the 2019 Compass. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, door courtesy lights.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.